Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and I am here with the August 2021 Sheetload of Cards. The Sheetload of Cards is put out by Alicia from the Call Me Crafty L YouTube channel. Every month on the first of the month, she will introduce you to the sketch and supply list and the cutting guide for that month's Sheetload of Cards. On the second of the month, people from her team will publish their versions of the cards. There are people on YouTube, people on Instagram, and those that have blogs that you can go to and be inspired. There are so many great ideas. I encourage you to check out all the links in the description box and see what they made with this month's Sheetload of Cards. So let's take a look at what I made. I pretty much stuck to the design as given. I think the only thing I did different is cut the sentiment strip into a fishtail banner. But besides that, I stuck with everything as it is. This oval is supposed to be for an image or a die cut, and that is the sentiment. Now sometimes I switch it up, but this month I didn't. I did end up popping up the balloon and the happy birthday just to add a little dimension to it. The balloon, I also used some Nouveau crystal glaze just so it had just a little, set it apart a little bit from being just a flat piece of paper. I had, before I put on the crystal glaze, taken some alcohol markers and gone around the outside with a little darker color, and then I used the blender and just blended it in. I did take a white gel pen, and you see the little crescent and a little touch at the bottom just to add a little highlight to it. There was one that I experimented with the crystal drops in the white blizzard color. So as you can see, these are pretty glitter and sparkly. And then I put the crystal drops on top of the balloon, and I felt like it added something, but not everybody is glittery, so I only did one like that. I figure if I end up sending one of these, I can always put the sparklies, the crystal drops, the glitter drops on top of what I did, let it dry, and then stick it in an envelope. I did use heat embossing for the sentiment, and I did that in black. I experimented with a couple of different colors, but I really want the happy birthday to pop, and so I think it did. Not the balloon pop, just the happy birthday. So that is what I made with the Sheetload of Cards for August 2021. As I said, if you want to download your own Sheetload of Cards, go to the YouTube channel Call Me Crafty L. Her link is also in the description box. So go check out what you need to do to be able to download that. That is what I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that now. And hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. Have a fabulous day.